I jumped off the porch after taking notes. Started making dough and started playing broke. I was making.
You brought this up. So it's like a lot had to change. So to go from 100,000 in sales to 1 million in sales, your focus, at least I'm gonna speak for myself, my focus had to shift from marketing mainly to actually making a great product and making sure that the customers were happy with the product when they received it, like the experience. And that's the thing that we started focusing on. So we actually maintained the same level of revenue for a while on purpose, so we could just take those small profits we were making of $100 a day, $200 a day, and just like use that as a safety net, and also to reinvest into inventory and product development and hiring a team. So I hired customer service and a manager. And then I started working with an agent in China. So he found me a better quality version of my product. He helped me put my logo on there. Even though it was, the first iteration wasn't amazing, but it was still our own product. And that's when I started to scale up a little bit more. And you know, that cycle continues. Like you have an idea of how big you want to go, you push for it, and then you just keep kind of going.